Consideration videos introduce your brand solution to your customers' problems. Find out why your brand needs these videos right now. Hey everyone, what is going on? I'm Eddie Garrison and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to master your social media marketing, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In the previous video of this series, we went through why your brand needs to begin with an awareness video with your video marketing strategy. The next video in our video marketing strategy is going to be the consideration video. In the consideration video, the viewer is now considering how he or she will solve the problem they're faced with. They're researching, asking for recommendations, watching product reviews, and trying to find cost-effective solutions. If you want to attract a new set of customers to your brand, you'll want to create consideration stage videos. These consideration videos will teach your audience more about your company, brand, product, or service. Almost any video can be a consideration video. The only requirement is a focus on how your brand solves a particular problem. Now, these are typically under 3 minutes. Consideration videos end with a strong call to action and offer a simple solution to a complex problem. Remember, these videos should always answer 3 main questions. What's your audience's problem? How will your product or service fix it? And why should your audience choose you? Here, your main goal will likely be to attract new customers who are in the first stage of product research. You'll want to show off not only the best features of your product, but more importantly, its necessity to your audience. You'll also want to highlight what makes your product better than the rest. Since these new viewers are still doing research, you'll want to make sure your consideration videos set you apart from the competition. Consideration videos are probably one of the most recognizable styles of videos out there. They use classic storytelling elements, including character building, conflict, and resolution, to tell your brand story in an entertaining and engaging way. They create a journey, one your viewer can easily follow and, most importantly, relate to. Because their goal is to tell a story, consideration videos often work best near the top of your funnel, when viewers are just learning about the problem they face and you introducing them to your brand. Your consideration videos should be memorable and help your brand stay on top of the mind of anyone who watches it. To learn even more about mastering your social media marketing, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.